Okay, so this is my master lock number 3. I took off one of the crimpings, and what I did was I took the standard pins out, and what I did was I took those out and I put one standard pin in the back. The two middle number 2 and 3 pins are spools, and then the number 1 is a serrated. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in its case right here, and I'm gonna prove it to you that this is repinned. And if you want to give it a go, I could send it to you guys. I mean, I'm pretty sure some people never gutted a master lock and repinned it, but me being Raiden as it is, you know, you should already know by now that I'm like that. So let's go ahead and give it a quick pick and see if I can get a false set out of it. So, and pick it open. So here I've applied some tension. I'm using regular short hook. I'm gonna start with 1. 1 is binding. There it is. 1 is set. 2, 3, and 4. Ooh. 4 felt crunchy. There it is. 4 is set, right? Nope, not yet. Is it? Could be set. Number 1 fell, so I'm gonna give number 1 a quick pull up. Still not set yet. There it is, and now I'm in a deep set. 1 is set. 2, 4, 4 is set, and number 2 now see it's not moving too much, so I'm gonna back off tension counterclockwise, and it's open. And that is my repinned number 3 core.